And I know a lot of people are like, well, I don't want a lot of words on my website.
Right?
Google wants to see words. So put all the pictures and the visual stuff up at the top. If people want to scroll down, which they usually don't, they're going to see all the words down there. But I'll tell you what, it's never going to hurt you. Nobody's ever going to not call you because you have too many words on your website. So like I said, visual stuff at the top, words down below, still make it look nice and everything. That way you're going to get the people that don't want to, the 90% of the people that don't want to read all that stuff, they're going to give you a call. But then the other 10% that wants to scroll down and do their due diligence and read and research, they're going to call you as well. But the big benefit here is Google wants to see authority. The way you prove authority is by having lots of words, lots of text, good quality, relatable text on the website that has all the keywords and everything in place, headings, titles, all that kind of stuff that I talk about in my other videos.
Absolutely.
All that stuff needs to be in each and every one of those pages, in addition to all the stuff that you were talking about, Sarah.
Yeah, Google is, that's the game we have to play. If you want to rank in Google where everyone is searching, 85%, it's not Bing, it's not Apple Maps, it's Google. So if you want to come up in Google search results, then you got to play by Google's rules. And what Google is looking for right now is content. So that's what we can produce for you. You got to have the information about your services and location for them to understand that you provide those services in that location. And we do that very well here at Big West.
Okay. All right, Sarah. So if anybody wants to talk about ranking up on Google, they want to have an analysis done of their current website, how it's performing on Google, I encourage everybody to get a hold of us here at Big West Marketing. You can call 406-493-1881, or there's a link down below. Like I said, we work with home service businesses. Those are the businesses we work with. That's who we give these free consultations to. So book your appointment down below or give us a call. Let's get that set up. Let's see what you got going on. And if it's a good fit, we can give you some pricing and we could talk about working together. But once again, my name is Joe Burnich. This is Sarah Mason, and we will see you in the next video.
Looking forward to connecting with you soon.